Hello, my little sunshine. I am here to pick you up.
Hi, Dad.
Oh, dear. That is a very small voice. You are sitting all alone on this bench. Where are your friends?
They went home. I wanted to sit alone.
I see. You look very gloomy today, Lily.
Gloomy? What is that word?
Gloomy. It describes how you look. It means you look dark and sad. It is like when the sky is full of gray rain clouds. The sky is gloomy.
Then I am gloomy. I feel like a rain cloud.
Why? Did you have a bad lunch? Or did you lose your favorite pen?
No, it is worse. Much worse. I had a miserable day.
Miserable. That is a strong word.
Does it mean very, very bad?
Yes, miserable means very unhappy or uncomfortable. So tell me why you are miserable. Let's walk to the car while you tell me.
I don't want to tell you. You will be angry.
Lily, look at me. I am your dad. I might be sad or I might be worried, but I promise I will not be angry if you tell me the truth.
Okay, let's get in the car first. I want to hide.
All right, we are in the car. The doors are closed. It's just you and me. We are safe. Now, tell me everything.
Dad, I made a terrible mistake. I broke something very precious.
Precious?
Precious means something very special and important, right?
That is exactly right. If something is precious, it costs a lot of money, or it means a lot to someone's heart. What did you break?
I broke Mrs. Green's favorite mug, the special one, the one with the painted cat on it.
Oh, I know that mug. Mrs. Green loves that mug. She drinks her tea from it every morning.
I know. That is why I am terrified.
Terrified? That means you are very, very scared.
Yes, I am terrified. I thought she would scream.
Did she scream?
No, but she looked sad. And the mug, Dad, it was shattered.
Shattered. That is a good descriptive word, even if the situation is sad. Can you explain what shattered means?
It means it didn't just break into 2 pieces. It exploded into 1,000,000 tiny pieces. It went crash all over the floor.
Yes. When glass or ceramic breaks into tiny pieces, we say it shattered. So Mrs. Green's mug is shattered. How did this happen?
I was running.
You were running in the classroom?
Yes, I know the rules. No running inside. But I was excited to show Sarah my drawing. I ran and I tripped on a bag. My arm hit the desk and smash.
Okay, I understand. Lily, let me ask you a very important question.
What?
Very serious and slow. Did you do it on purpose?
On purpose?
Yes, on purpose. It means, did you plan to do it? Did you want to break the mug?
No, never. I love Mrs. Green.
Okay, so if you did not do it on purpose, then it was an accident.
An accident?
Yes, an accident is something that happens when we do not want it to happen. You were running, which was naughty, but breaking the mug was an accident.
It was a clumsy accident.
Clumsy, yes. Clumsy means moving without control, bumping into things or dropping things. You were a little bit clumsy today.
Dad,
Don't you think Mrs. Green hates me now?
no, she does not hate you. She's a teacher. She understands children, but she is probably disappointed. Disappointed. I hate that feeling.
We all hate that feeling. Disappointed means feeling sad because something you hoped for didn't happen. She hoped her mug would be safe. Now she is sad.
I feel so guilty. My stomach hurts.
That is normal. Guilty is the feeling we get when we know we did something wrong. It feels heavy, like a rock in your tummy.
Yes, I have a heavy rock in my tummy.
Well, we cannot drive home with a rock in your tummy. We need to remove the rock.
How? I cannot unbreak the mug. It's shattered forever.
True, we cannot fix the past, but we can fix the future. We need a solution.
A solution.
A solution is the answer to a problem. When you have a math problem, you find the answer. When you have a life problem, you find a solution.
What is the solution for a shattered mug?
What do you think? Use your brain.
Maybe I can buy her a new one?
That is a great idea. We can replace it.
Can place means to put a new thing where the old thing was?
Exactly. We can go to the store right now. We can find a beautiful mug, maybe one with a cat on it.
But I don't have money.
I have money. You can do some extra chores at home to pay me back. That teaches you responsibility.
Responsibility.
That is a big word. Responsibility means you fix your own mistakes. You don't wait for someone else to fix them.
Okay, I want to be responsible. Can we go to the shop now?
Yes, but buying a mug is only half of the solution. What is the other half?
Putting it on her desk?
No, you need to say something.
Oh, I need to apologize. I need to say sorry again.
Yes, but it must be a sincere apology.
Sincere? That sounds like a fancy word.
It is a beautiful word. Sincere means honest. It means speaking from deep inside your heart. It is not just saying the word sorry because you have to. It is feeling sorry.
I feel very sorry. I don't want Mrs. Green to be sad.
Then you are sincere. We will buy a card. You will write a note. You will tell her it was an accident and you are sorry.
Dad?
Yes, Lily?
I feel a little bit better now.
Is the rock in your tummy gone?
It is smaller. It's like a pebble now, not a rock.
Good. That feeling is called being relieved.
Relieved?
Yes, relieved means the fear and the worry for going away. You can breathe again.
I am relieved that you are not angry.
I told you I am not angry. I am actually proud.
Proud? Why? I broke a mug.
I am proud because you told me the truth. It is hard to tell the truth when we make a mistake. You were brave.
Thanks, Dad.
Now, look out the window. What do you see?
I see the supermarket.
And next to the supermarket?
I see the gift shop.
Decisive. Let's go find the perfect cat mug.
Can we get a dog mug instead? Cats are snobby.
No, Lily. The gift is for Mrs. Green, not for you. If she likes cats, we get a cat.
Okay, a cat mug.
And, Lily,
Yes?
whispering a secret. After we buy the mug, since you were brave and honest, maybe we can make one more mistake today.
What? I don't want to make any more mistakes.
Not a bad mistake, a delicious mistake.
What kind of mistake?
We can eat dessert before dinner. We can get ice cream.
That is the best mistake ever.
Okay, let's park the car. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go find a solution.
That's my girl. Let's go. Before we go, let's practice the new words one last time. I will say them, you repeat them. Ready?
Ready.
Gloomy,
Gloomy, like a dark rain cloud.
miserable,
Miserable, very, very unhappy.
shattered,
Shattered, broken into a million pieces.
on purpose,
On purpose, meaning to do it.
accident,
Accident, a mistake, not on purpose.
sincere,
Sincere, honest and from the heart.
and finally, relieved.
Relieved, feeling happy because the problem is fixed.
Perfect. Now ice cream time.
Yay!